Did you know there's a frog smaller than a dime, or a fish that could fit on your fingertip? Our world is full of tiny creatures that probably you never heard of. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 10 smallest animals ever. Number 10. Brookesia micra, or the world's smallest chameleon. Imagine a chameleon so small and tiny it could sit on the top of a matchstick. The Brookesia micra, found on Madagascar, is barely 1 inch long. Despite its size, it's a master of camouflage, blending perfectly with the leaves and twigs. Number 9. Etruscan shrew, or world's smallest mammal by weight. Meet the Etruscan shrew, world's smallest, tiniest mammal on Earth, weighing just 1.8 grams. This little guy has a super fast metabolism and eats constantly to stay alive. We're talking about a tiny powerhouse. Number 8. Paedophryne, or smallest fish on Earth. Found in swamps of Indonesia, this fish is less than half an inch long. It's so small it can even fit between grains of sand. But don't let its size fool you. This fish can even survive in acidic waters, where most fish would die. Number 7. Speckled pad-toed tortoise. Where do these names come from? Or smallest tortoise ever. The speckled pad-toed tortoise, native to South Africa, grows only about 3 inches. It's tiny but tough, navigating rocky terrain with ease. Number 6. Baluchistan pygmy jerboa, or a tiny kangaroo. This tiny creature looks like a mix of a tiny kangaroo and a mouse. Found in Pakistan, this animal is the smallest rodent, weighing just 3 grams. Its long legs helps it jump over obstacles like a pro. Number 5. Pygmy seahorse, or the world's smallest seahorse ever. Seahorses are already small, but this tiny creature is the size of a grain of rice. These tiny little guys are expert at blending in with corals, making them nearly invisible to predators and even scientists for years. Alright friends, how was the video so far? If you like it, show it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in mind-blowing facts, top 10 videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's go for the next one. Number 4. Monte Iberia eluth, or the world's smallest frog. How small can a frog get? This tiny little guy native to Cuba is only 0.4 inches long. That's about the size of your fingernail. This tiny amphibian is very rare and extremely difficult to find in the world. Finally, here are top 3. Number 3, bee hummingbird, or the world's smallest bird ever. Found only in Cuba, this little guy is smaller than some kind of bees. It weighs just 2 grams and can flap its wings 80 times per second. Number 2, Kitty's hognose bat, or the smallest bat ever. This tiny mammal from Thailand and Myanmar is 1.1 inches long and only 2 grams. It's so small that some people once thought it's an insect. And finally, number 1, tardigrade, or the smallest and toughest creature ever. The tardigrade, also called water bear, it's microscopic, you can't even see it with naked eyes, but don't underestimate it. These tiny creatures can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, and even outer space. Now that's a true survival champion, and there you have it, the top 10 smallest animals ever. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, show it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in mind-blowing facts, make sure to subscribe my channel. Take a look at my other videos in my channel, I'm sure you will like them. And I hope to see you guys on next video. Goodbye for now and peace out.